Hello everyone, this is Manikandan here. Today we are going to learn a new topic called as elimination of defense, which means we will be attacking some piece and they will be having some support. So what should we do? We should not capture the piece directly because they have a support. We have to remove the support first. So here it is white's turn to play and we are trying to capture the rook. They have a support from the bishop. So what could we do is we can capture the bishop first, which is defending the rook, and then after they capture our knight, this rook is no longer having support, so we can capture this rook. So we will be attacking some piece and they will be having a defender, and we have to remove the defender by capturing. And the main thing, when we capture this bishop, they cannot capture our rook because capturing this bishop comes with a check to the king. So when we capture the bishop, we are also attacking the king. So they have to save the king mostly by capturing the knight. Then we could capture this rook. Okay, let's see some more examples to understand it even more clearly. It is white's turn to play. Now, which black piece are we trying to capture here? Look at the piece contacts. Piece contacts means something like this. Our queen is attacking the opponent queen and also our rook is attacking the opponent knight. So these are the piece contacts. So which one should you capture first? Should you capture this queen or should you capture this knight? Actually, in this puzzle, we are trying to get the queen, which is defended by this knight. So let us capture this knight first and remove the defender. Again, this capture comes with a check. So that's why they cannot capture our queen during that time. So let's capture this knight and eliminate the support of the queen, and then we can capture this queen for free. Now I think you might got some idea about this. So let's try to find the next one. It is black's turn to play. Again, look at the piece contacts. Which white pieces are we attacking here? Here we are trying to capture the knight or we are also trying to capture the bishop. So these are the two piece contacts we have. We are playing for black. So which one should we capture first? Should we capture the bishop first or should we capture the knight first? Remember, you have to eliminate the defender. You have to capture the piece which is defending the other piece first. So here, if we capture this bishop, this knight can come back and capture us. So what we should do? We should capture the knight first, which is called as elimination of defense. So let us eliminate the knight which is defending the bishop. Now after this bishop no longer has any support, so let's capture the bishop for free. I hope you understood this. We were trying to capture this bishop, but it had a support from the knight. So we captured this and this came with a check. So they have to capture back, then we got the bishop. Let's see the next one. It is white's turn to play. Maybe if you have understood this topic, you can pause the video and try to think for yourself. It is white's turn to play. Okay, let us look at the piece contacts. Here we are trying to capture the rook or maybe we are trying to capture the knight. So these are the piece contacts. So which one should we capture first so that we can remove the defender? We are trying to capture the rook. So what we could do, this knight is defending the rook. So let us remove the knight first and give a check. So after they capture our rook, now we can capture this rook. At first sight, this looks like a bad move, capturing the knight which is worth 3 points and giving up the rook which is 5 points. But it is actually a good move because we can sacrifice the rook temporarily and we can get this rook back. So we will be getting totally 5 plus 3, 8 points for this rook. Like we get 8 for 5. So let's take this knight and get this rook. Let's see the next one. It is black to play. Now everyone please pause the video and try to find the good move for black, which is the elimination of defense. Black to play. Okay, here we are trying to capture the rook as well as we are trying to capture the knight. These are the piece contacts right now in this position. So what should black do here? Did you find the correct order? The answer is we have to capture the rook first, because this rook is the defender of this knight. So if the rook has been removed from the game, we can get this knight for free. I hope you understood this. In the first move, we made an equal trade to remove the defender of this knight, and we won the knight after that. I hope you understood this topic. We will be seeing more puzzles in the next class. That's all for today. See you next time.